What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and good morning. And welcome to a new video on Manta. Wanted to give you my thoughts on this. I mean, it's been a while since I covered Manta. I used to cover it every single day, so I saw it and I talked about it yesterday with someone in the Signal group, and I thought let's take a look at it. But in general, I mean, I think one of the reasons why I haven't looked at it for some time is that I think it's a bit of a weird market structure right now, because I used to always analyze Manta on the 1 hour time frame, and there's no clear direction. All right, Manta initially was in some sort of a consolidation, then broke out, then had a bearish breakout again, which brought us back into that consolidation range. And right now, I mean, I guess there's some bullish momentum, but I also think that's mostly caused by the bullish momentum we've seen in the markets. All right, so it's difficult to kind of gauge how strong Manta is right now. Fundamentally, or at least I'm not sure if this is still true, but fundamentally Manta always was very, very strong, and it still is. It's still putting in new highs when it comes to total value locked, so that's good to see. However, how that translates to the technicals is not visible yet. All right, because right now I would say that I'm more bullish on Manta than bearish. All right, you can see right now on the 4 hour time frame, there's definitely some sort of an uptrend going on here. I think this is too long for a bearish flag. You could make the argument that this is a bearish flag, right? If you do it like this, then you could say that this is a big drop down, bearish flag, and will continue down. It's a possibility, right? And markets are over leveraged. We're definitely going to get a big flush. So if that flush holds, then who knows? But I would say this is going on for too long, and just in general, the market circumstances are too bullish for a sustainable bearish Manta, if you know what I mean. Now, if you look at the open interest, there's also not much value to be derived from that. We've had a bit of an increase yesterday that also resulted in us grabbing the liquidity at 3.3. There was a lot of liquidity up there, which I still remember. So now I would say most likely is that we'll continue in this market structure. All right, so right now we're getting some bearish pressure. There's a lot of support right here in this level between 2.85 and 2.9. I think it's most likely we'll drop down there, but that we will find support and slowly, because that's what Manta is doing, slowly get back up to 3.3. And I also do think that eventually, if the market circumstances stay bullish, like if Bitcoin, even with a big drop down in between, if Bitcoin is really going up to 55,000, for example, it would be very weird if Manta is just going to stay down here. I would say it's most likely that we'll break above 3.3 at some point of time as well, and then start to actually become bullish again. Do something like this, maybe even higher. So that's what I think is most likely at this moment. That's based mostly on the market circumstances right now and on the technicals for Manta. I think the technicals of Manta are not that strong. Manta is quite weak, I would say, but overall, if there's some sort of a direction, it's up, and I don't see any reason why that would change. Now, like I said, markets are over leveraged. So if you see a big drop all the way down to 2.5, don't worry too much, because there's a high likelihood that's just a spike and we'll jump back above this level here at 2.85 instantly after, and the bullish market structure continues. So be prepared for that. That's quite likely to happen, especially with an open interest of about $100 million. But overall, like I said, I'm quite bullish on Manta. I'll keep you updated on this. I'll keep my eyes on this. If you do have any questions, let me know. Don't forget to check out my premium and Signal group if you're interested in that. Links to that will be down in the description or the pinned comment. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.